Hey everyone! Experiencing Xfinity Wi-Fi issues, this step-by-step troubleshooting guide help you diagnose and fix connection problem for a stable internet experience. Restart your device and Xfinity router to refresh the connection and clear temporary glitches. If the issue persists, forget the Xfinity Wi-Fi network on your device and reconnect or check for service outages in your area to rule out broader network problems. What cause Xfinity Wi-Fi connection? Xfinity Wi Fi connection issued are often caused by service outages, faulty or loose cables, defective or outdated routers, wireless interference, or too many connective devices. Other factors include local network congestion or incorrect Wi Fi settings, such as changed passwords or SSID. Fix 1 check for Xfinity service outages. If there is an outage, the problem is on Xfinity's end and not your equipment, so you simply need to wait for service to be restored. Visit the Xfinity Status Center or use the Xfinity app to see if there are any reported outages in your area. Fix to verify device settings. Ensure Wi Fi is enabled on your device and that it's not in airplane mode. Sometimes the issue is as simple as Wi Fi being turned off or airplane mode being on, which blocks all wireless connections. Swipe down the quick settings on Android or Control Center on iOS. Ensure if Wi Fi is turned on. If it is on, disable it. Wait for a few seconds and enable it again. Fix 3. Inspect and reconnect all cables. Power cycle clear temporary glitches, reset the device's internal memory, and reestablishes a fresh connection to Xfinity's network. This simple step often resolves connectivity issues that cause the orange light. Ensure all coaxial, Ethernet, and power cables are securely connected and undamaged. Unplug and firmly replug each cable to ensure a solid connection. Fix 4. Confirm activation status. Overdue payments can lead to service interruptions. Paying your bill can immediately restore your connection. Log into Xfinity account to ensure your service is active and there are no billing or activation issue. If you recently got a new device, make sure it's properly activated. Fix 5. Restart your device and router. Restarting clears temporary glitches and refreshes the connection between your device and the router, often resolve connectivity issues. Restart your phone, laptop, router, or other connected devices. Unplug the power cord from your device. Wait at least 30 seconds. Plug it back in and allow the device to reboot. This can resolve temporary glitches and restore connectivity. Method 2. Via Xfinity app. Open the Xfinity app and sign in. Tap on the Wi Fi icon, go to troubleshoot, then restart your gateway. Method 3. Via website. Go to Xfinity and log in. Navigate to the devices page, then go to restart modem. Fix 6. Remove or replace splitters. Faulty or unnecessary splitters can weaken or block the signal. Connecting the modem or router directly to the wall outlet ensure the strongest possible signal, resolving issues that may cause the orange light. If you are using a coaxial splitter, try connecting the modem directly to the wall outlet. Faulty splitters can cause signal loss and connectivity issues. Fix 7. Try a wired connection. Ensure all power, Ethernet, and coaxial cables are securely plugged in and undamaged. Loose or damaged cables can disrupt your internet connection. Securing or replacing them restores proper connectivity. Connect a device directly to the modem or router using an Ethernet cable to check if the internet works. If wired work, but Wi Fi does not, the issue may be with the router's wireless function. Fix 8. Forget and reconnect to the Wi Fi network. On your device, go to Wi Fi settings and choose Forget, then reconnect by entering your Wi Fi password. This removes any corrupted connection data and allow your device to reestablish a fresh, stable connection. On iOS, go to Settings, then Wi Fi, tap the I next to the Xfinity network, then tap Forget this network and reconnect by selecting the network and entering the password. On Android, go to Settings, then Wi Fi, press and hold the Xfinity network you want to forget, tap Forget, then reconnect by selecting the network and entering the password. Fix 9. Use the Xfinity app to troubleshoot. The app can automatically diagnose and sometimes fix issues or guide you to schedule a technician if needed. Download and open the Xfinity app, sign in and tap on the services, select troubleshoot and follow the prompts. Fix 10. Factory reset as a last resort. A factory reset clears problematic custom settings and restores the router to its original state, often resolving persistent issues. Locate the restart button usually on the back of the device. Hold it down for about 10 seconds until the light blink off and on. Here is the note: this will erase all custom settings and restore factory default. Fix 11. Contact Xfinity support. If all else fails, the problem may be due to hardware failure or a more complex network issue. Xfinity support can diagnose the problem remotely or send a technician for repairs or replacement, ensuring a long term fix. If the orange light persists after all troubleshooting steps, contact Xfinity customer support at 1800 934 6489. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.